Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix NGL link does not work on Instagram and it says try again later. We restrict this certain activity to protect. So to fix that, you have to follow this easy step. So if your shows that, then you have to open your NGL. Okay, then you can just copy this link. Simply make a link that you want to copy. Just copy this and you can just open a link shortener or bit.ly. This is the best that you can do. Okay, insert bit.ly like this. You can just go and or you can just search for the link shortener like this. Link shortener, just go to anywhere that you want, just click on here, paste, shorten the link, just copy this link and you can use. So let me show, just open it here and as you can see it's been re-forwarded to here. So by this way you can do it, and if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.